Hi, we're on lesson 93, the practice. I would like you to do the problems A through D and then come back and we'll correct together. Okay, here we go. We are just beginning. They wanted us to do the estimate and then the exact amount for these two two-digit numbers. So 58 times 23, I rounded to 60 times 20. And that gave me a product of 1,200 as the estimate. Let's see what it looks like for the exact amount. 8 times 3 is 24. Put my 2 up at the top. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Now we put our 0 down on the bottom and we go to our next. 2 times 8 is 16. I put my 1 up on the top. I don't pay attention to that little old 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Now let's add these up. 4, 7 plus 6 is 3. Carry my 1. 1, 2, 3. And 1. So our answer is 1,334. Let's go to our next one. 49 rounds to 50 and 51 rounds to 50, which I put on the little side 50 squared. Let's do this. 0, and we know that 5 times 5 is 25, so 2,500. Now let's go for the exact answer. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Put our 0 in its placeholder. Now we go to our tens. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry our 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So I say 9. 4 plus 5 is 9, 4, and 2. So 2,499. Pretty close to 2,500. Not bad, I should say. Here's our next estimate. 61 times 38, rounded to 60 times 40. I know I have 24, and then I attach 2 zeros on. So our estimate is 2,400. Let's do this. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Whoops, guys. 48. Don't make that mistake if you saw it. Now I put my 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Now let's try this. Adding 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry. 4 plus 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry. So 2,314, fairly close to 2,400. Finally, 1,845 divided by 9. I'm going to go to I rounded it to 1,800, 1,800. I know that 9 can go into 18 twice. 2 times 9 is 18. I subtract 0, and I pulled the 0, 0, 0. So 1,800 can be divided by 9 200 times. Now, let's see if we're going to get a close answer. I start with my 2, because I know that the 2 times 9 is 18. I subtract, I get 0. I pull down my 4. 4 cannot be divided by 9, so I put a 0. And then I pull down my 5. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 2 times 9 is 45. We subtract, and our answer is 0. So I know that 205 is pretty close to my estimate of 200. And there you have it. Good luck on the homework.